Hey, what's up? It's your boy Serrano. Hope all is well. Welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be taking a look at the Baseus Bass BH1, which is a budget headphone that you could pick up from around $15 to $20. And so these are going to be packing some really solid features, especially for that price point. But this is going to be for the type of person who wants to buy a gift, maybe for a loved one, or even just purchase a cheaper pair of headphones that's not going to break the bank, but it's going to offer you some newer technology. So you're going to get two different colors, the white and the black. And so yeah, these are going to pack Bluetooth 6.0, Super Bass 2.0, environmental noise cancellation with clear calls, 80 hours of playtime as well. And they're also going to be packing some additional features that I want to jump into in this video. So I'm going to be talking about these headphones, what they have to offer, and if they are right for you. So before you make a purchase, definitely watch this to the end of the video so you can understand whether or not this is going to actually be worth it. So not to be confused with the BH1 NC, these actually don't have the noise cancellation, which is going to make them a lot cheaper. Make sure you guys stay locked in to the end of the video. If you're brand new to the channel, I truly appreciate you for coming through if you're new. But if you're already a part of the crew, salute. Hey, what's up? Welcome back to another video. Hope all is well. So yeah, let's start off with the unboxing. And so the BH1 is going to offer you some pretty good stuff inside the package. First, you're going to get your quick start guide, a set of stickers, as well as your, warning label. So yeah, these have a nice design. It's going to be like a matte white finish. It's going to be very smooth to the touch, very lightweight. Overall, it's going to have a pretty sleek design, which is going to be snug, easy to, travel with, and also very comfortable when it comes to this headset. So these actually do fold. They also do swivel, so you can wear them easily and comfortably over your neck without having to worry about discomfort. And you can fold them up in a small form factor, which makes them easier to travel with. So as far as the ear cups and the headband, it's going to be made of this cloud comfort material that they talk about inside of the listing. Make sure I leave the cheapest link down below, but it's a lightweight construction with soft protein leather and a resilient headband, making it very comfortable and super lightweight, so that when you put it on, it's definitely going to be something that you can wear for long periods of time. So you get the Baseus branding on the top of the headband. You also do get the Baseus logo on each ear cup. They have a really nice ergonomic shape, and they're very flexible and, resilient to, bending and folding. And so these won't break easy. And they're also durable. So I think it's pretty good when it comes to the lightweight and comfortable materials. So what makes these headphones very affordable is that it's going to be giving you the codec of AAC and SBC, so it's not going to be packing that high res that you normally see on Baseus headphones. So it's going to be definitely a lot more affordable than other headphones that they offer. But you do get app support with these, which is actually cool to see. So you're going to be able to control all sorts of things. And one of the things that I do like is that they do give you multi-point connection. These are pretty quick to pair up to the app. You're going to get normal music and also, cinema for watching videos. And so I definitely think these are going to be good when it comes to that spatial audio feature that these do offer, making it a little bit more immersive when you're listening to music, watching videos, and also doing a lot of gaming. So you can kind of track the footsteps or just hear all the different sounds around you. And it's going to be pretty good because it makes it a more immersive and open soundstage. Baseus does include plenty of features at this price point for the app, so you're going to be able to actually find your headphones. You're going to get low latency mode, dual connection. You're even going to get a bass boost mode as well as the EQ mode, so you can manage it, and you can customize the quick press to trigger different actions when you're actually using them when it comes to shortcuts. And so the most important thing you might want to know is, how does they sound when you're listening to these headphones? And are they going to bump when it comes to the bass? And, it actually has the name bass in the title of the headphone. So that's one of the things that you probably are wondering, how will they sound when you're actually using them. And so yeah, that's what we're going to get into right now. And so yeah, as far as these headphones, what differentiates them from their other models is that they're super affordable. So they're going to be, $14 right now with the Christmas sale. You have that customized EQ, so you can actually customize the settings to make it sound a little bit more tailored to your preference. And you also have that Type-C compatibility, so you can plug these into your Type-C port on your smartphone, and it's going to work without draining the battery. And so yeah, these are definitely going to be affordable, but they're also going to be packing some pretty decent features, especially for the price. So, their overall goal was to make these affordable with some pretty good features when it comes to the sound enhancement. So you do get that dynamic bass enhancement, which is going to be engineered by Baseus, and so it's called the SuperBass 2.0 algorithm, which is going to give you a rich, detailed, and cleaner sounding bass that doesn't overtake the sound quality of the vocals and instruments, but it actually blends in pretty nicely, making it sound really smooth, clear, and offering a lot of clarity and detail. And so when it comes to gaming, you're going to be having a pretty decent experience with this because it has 38 milliseconds dual channel low latency for, streaming content, listening to music. You also have that spatial acoustics. And so yeah, the battery playtime is based off continuous audio playback. So at 50% volume with the spatial acoustics turned off, you probably will get 80 hours altogether when you're using this. So it doesn't require a lot of charging when it comes to using these on a regular basis. But no pun intended, Baseus actually manages to give you that 40 millimeter super bass, which is going to increase the output with low frequencies, giving you a little bit more of a punch and also a rich listening experience. We're not jeopardizing all of the vocals or other instruments that you might be hearing. So just to make it very simply put, this is going to be a very clear bass. It's also going to be very rich, and it's not going to sound distorted in any way possible. So I definitely think you're looking at a very clean sounding bass, especially if you don't like the bass to be overpowering when it comes to the rest of the instruments and other, vocals. But without any more talking, I wanted to jump into a test to test out how the microphones sound with the AI-powered voice boost and directional sound sensor, as well as ENC clear calls. So let me know what you guys think about the
microphones on the
outdoors.
Baseus Bass BH1. This is an indoor environment, so it's a pretty much very quiet, surrounding indoors, no sounds whatsoever. I'm gonna turn the actual fan on real fast. Let me know if you can hear any distortion in the audio, but this does have some pretty clear microphones on it. So yeah, let me know what you guys think about the audio quality. I definitely think with the the Super Bass 2.0 and the 40 millimeter drivers, you're gonna get some really thumping bass, especially on low volumes. But let me know what you guys think about the microphones in an indoor environment. These are also super comfortable, as they do have that super cloud comfort on here too, as well as low latency. But I'm turning off the microphones, the fan noise right now, so it's back to a environment with no background noise. So let me know what you guys think about the mics on here. Hey, what's going on, guys? So I'm actually outdoors right now. This is the outdoor environment when it comes to the microphones. Let me know how the Baseus Bass BH1 sound when I'm walking outdoors. So there's not that much wind at all. I hear a little bit of traffic noise, maybe some car engines in the background, but that's about it. So yeah, let me know what you guys think about the overall microphone quality when it comes to the Baseus Bass BH1s, okay?
But yeah, I definitely think this is going to be a practical headphone as long as your expectations aren't too high. It's going to pack the super bass with the 40 millimeter drivers, the AI noise cancellation when it comes to phone calls, the Bluetooth 6.0, as well as the cloud comfort with the super soft ear cups, dual channel low latency for gaming, as well as 10 minutes will get you 10 hours of playtime, 80 hours altogether as far as the battery, so you can listen non-stop without any interruptions, and the Type-C support, so you can use these in a wired mode. But let me know what you guys think about the BH1s in the comment section. If you're still here, just type down in the comment section, I'm still here, so I know you're still kicking it. I just want to remind you to hit the like button so we can get this video out to more people, and hit that boost button so we can help get this video out to a wider audience. And I'll hit you guys back. I'll check you later. Peace. Namaste.